Hello everyone, J-Dog here. This is our annual Bethlehem Walk. Merchant, blacksmith, tower.
1 second. Yes, that is. Okay.
Merchant. This is where dancing girls are. I got lights set up. Woodworker. Potter. This is where King Herod is. Somebody who works with wool, like sheep's cloth. Jail. Spice market. Basket maker. Baker. This is where the scribe is. Leather worker. This is all inside of a church building. And in here is the inn, which, according to the Bible, is totally full. And this is all done on the night that the Savior is born. Alright, and here's the synagogue, where the high priest will be. Over around here are where the stables are, and they'll actually have live animals here. Last night they actually had a donkey, chickens, baby goats, and bunnies, all here, all in this area. And this is all inside of a basketball court in our church building, which I'm not going to say what city it's in, but it's wonderful. You feel like you've traveled back in time. This is where Mary and Joseph are, and of course, baby Jesus. Different from from other videos that I've done, but for me, it's a wonderful experience. And I've been dressing up as a Roman soldier for this year and the past 2 years just as a townsperson. So outside of what I normally do for a video, but hope that you'll enjoy it.